What's up, guys? So right now when I'm recording this, it's November, so it's starting to get cold out. So I just wanted to do a little review on this personal heater I got. It's by Vornado. It says it's got a little 3-year satisfaction guarantee warranty on it. I got it at Home Depot. It was like $29, I think. But this thing is awesome. So it's got 2 settings on it, low, or actually 3, I guess. It's got low, fan only, and then high heat. So, and then it's got the on and off button. When you turn the on and off button, this little light comes on. But yeah, I leave it on the highest setting so that it's nice and toasty in here. But it's got some safety features on it as well. If it gets knocked over, it just turns off. There's nothing coming out of it anymore. But as soon as you put it back on all fours, it fires up again. Yeah, I would highly recommend this heater. This thing's got some heat kicking out of it. It's got a nice, sleek, tiny design. Just for comparison, I bought another space heater when I was at Home Depot, which is right over here. This one is kind of huge, as you can see, but look how tiny this one is. Like, that's perfect for underneath a desk or anywhere really. But yeah, if you're looking for a bigger one, you should definitely grab the Comfort Zone. That one was $49.99, which is pretty good because I think it's hot as shit. But yeah, man, you guys should definitely check out this space heater if you're trying to get one. And if you could do me a favor and thumbs up this video and check out the rest of my channel, maybe subscribe and like some of the other videos, it would really help. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel off the ground. Yeah, right now I'm at like 400 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I can get some of this paper, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, fucking show some love and I'll always return the favor. If y'all need some subscribers or want me to like your videos, just, you know, let me know. But yeah, thanks for checking out my video. It's much appreciated, and stay tuned. I got some more reviews coming up. So yeah, good looking out, y'all. Peace.